there, Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is the second of two soaps inspired by the night sky. And as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're focusing on the moon. And since the base of the soap is all one color, I'm going to go ahead and add the colorant directly to the measured out oils, along with the kaolin clay, stick blended, and then add the lye water solution. The fragrance oil that I'm using is sandalwood. I decided to keep this soap incredibly simple. I just made a bunch of crescent moon soap canes or embeds. And I'm going to place the moons in the soap base kind of in pairs. They'll be facing each other, or at least I hope they will. I did have to wait for the soap base to thicken up quite a bit. Otherwise, the canes would just all sink to the bottom of the soap. Well, would you look what's on my embed tray? I have some moons. Kind of sort of a moon phase, but not really, but kind of. Let me show you how I made them. Let's pipe some soap using one of my favorite piping tips, a Teco 172, I believe that's what this is. I'm keeping the piping all black, and I'll jazz things up a bit with this silver rainbow EcoGlitter. I wanted the moons to have a little bit of sparkle, and so I mixed some of this 24 karat gold mica in with a touch of oil and then just painted it on with a little brush. I see the moon and the moon sees me. The Moon Season mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot. 2 days later, let's cut this soap. Yay! I love it. Love it. Look at that. I'm very happy with the way this soap came out. I love the top. I hope everyone enjoyed the holidays and had a happy new year, and let's hope that this year will be a better year. The next few soaps that I have already made, I just have to finish the voiceovers and all of that good stuff and get them posted, are soaps inspired by foods. More specifically, circus type foods. Just a hint there, okay? So I do hope you will come back and join me for those. But until then, that does it for today. Thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Take care. Bye-bye.